Got the cell phone booster up there. Getting it down and moving it.
Is it higher than the antenna?
It's like, probably would hit the antenna.
That was going to be my question. It would hit it.
Or be right under it. It would be close. I think it's just hooked on a branch.
Okay, can you get up here and hold this ladder, please?
Since he said please.
You'll hear me unscrewing it. One branch. I got it.
Good job. We had our cell phone booster in the top of this tamarack that Mike put up there with the genie lift. Anyways, we just got it down and we got 500 feet of this cable. So we're gonna try and get it over there in one of those big trees, as far away and as high up as we can. So here we go. Through there.
You want to know what's going on? You do.
Yeah, they thought we were just going to the regular top and they came bolting down.
Let's go. Let's follow Jed. See where he just went? Oh, here comes Jackers. Thick.
Oh yeah. Nice. This is the tamarack we're hoping to make it to.
How much more wire do we have here? Oh, let's keep going.
Right. It's hard to tell.
Let's keep going.
Getting close to the top. There's one kitty. Made it to the top. Come on, kitty. Oh yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Couldn't have been any better. Jill's not gonna miss out on this one. Okay.
There he goes. We're at the top of the mountain. So hoping to get some really good cell service up here. We'll see. Okay, just made it up. Taking some of the branches off the hatchet so they can get better signal. Kitty.
Watch out for a while.
Okay. Oh, you're a good boy, JJ. How's your eye doing? Favorite chew toy. Gross.
It's pretty clear. Can you see it?
Oh yeah.
Pretty clear. See if it works.
Boy, Jed.
So sorry to get in here.
Yeah.
Babe, do we have service? That was
No
all.
different than before.
No different than before.
Hit or miss.
Damn. Well, we are back up at the top again. Yep.
Next morning.
It is the only spot we have service.
Yep.
It's terrible.
It was really fast when we woke up.
Hmm.
And then like 20, 30 minutes later, nothing.
Nothing. Stops working. But we come up here, we mostly have great service every time,
Mostly.
for the most part. I got an email just this morning that I saw it from Starlink, and I think we might consider that.
Look into it at least.
Yeah, it's something to think about. You guys should give us your opinion down in the comments below about the Starlink thing. If you haven't heard of Starlink, is it
It's like satellites, internet satellites.
Yeah, it's a bunch of satellites. I think they got like 1,000 of them up or something. It's Isn't it Elon Musk company?
I think so.
SpaceX, they're affiliated with it somehow. But yeah, let us know what you think about that. I don't think anybody has it yet. We signed up for like the beta testing and they actually emailed us, so we might do it. It's a little expensive though.
Yeah.
I wasn't.
So
Yeah, we'll
it'd be
try
good
it.
to talk to anybody that knows about it or
Yeah, know something
has
about it. Yeah,
because yeah,
we need internet.
something to think about.
Internet will help.
Yeah.
For sure. So we do have one option for internet. That is this local company that we have, but it's like expensive and it's like 5 megs a second. You remember what Starlink's was?
Like 50 to 100.
Yeah, it's
or
like,
something?
yeah, at least 50. It was 50 megs a second, which is fast internet.
Yeah.
That is like quick
And
internet.
we're just in a little bit of a dead zone, and we just don't want to pay a whole bunch for internet that doesn't work very well.
Yeah, there's like no tried and true internet in our area
Right.
yet.
Yeah. Like
Hopefully.
right specifically where we live.
Yeah, specifically where we live. If you go a mile either direction, you can get internet.
Yeah.
We even put up a TV antenna.
Yeah.
How'd that one go?
Not very well. We haven't had any sort of TV or anything for over 6 months, and like it's not too bad, but sometimes it'd be kind of nice to.
Yeah, flip on the tube.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we got an antenna and wrestled with that until I don't know 8 o'clock probably, and it didn't end up working.
No, we were on the ladder in the dark, like 30 feet up the ladder.
So we gotta figure out if we need to put that thing at the top too.
Yeah.
But we just need to find some towers because, like I said before, down low, like we have the shop as an obstruction. You just have to get it up so high.
It was the
So,
3 things they said on the box.
Yeah,
was like
mountains, trees, and
a metal
large
building.
metal building.
Yep. So all 3 of those things are blocking our signal down there.
So we gotta figure that one out.
Yeah.
But
So
that's okay. We'll get it.
We'll get it.
We'll have TV one of these days.
one of the days we'll have like modern stuff, some technology. Yeah.
Thanks for checking us out and going through the day with us.
Yeah, it's been another real one.
Yep.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.